This is a test. This is a test. This is part of a drill associated with Severe Weather Awareness Week in Tennessee, Arkansas, and Mississippi. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a test tornado warning for West Tennessee, East Arkansas, and North Mississippi until 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Again, this is a test. This is a test. This is part of a drill associated with Severe Weather Awareness Week in Tennessee, Arkansas, and Mississippi. If this had been an actual tornado warning, would you have known what to do? Please review safety plans. The purpose of this drill is to advise of the upcoming peak severe weather season. Take a few moments to review what you would do if this were an actual weather event. These few moments now might save precious seconds during the actual severe weather event. The safest place to be during a tornado is a storm shelter. If no storm shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor. Protect your body from flying debris. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot. Again, this is a test. This is a test. This again is a test drill. There is no tornado. This concludes the tornado drill.